Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to update drivers in Windows 11 in 2026. I'm actually showing you multiple ways on actually how to update drivers, so stick around till the end. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. Now first, actually before doing anything, we have to make sure that Windows is up to date. Now if you go down to search here, I've probably done this in the past, you just go to check for updates here. Now up here as you can see, mine is up to date. Now sometimes if you click multiple times on the check for updates button, there could be a update that appears. It doesn't happen all the time, so it's always nice to really double check if everything is actually up to date. And as you can see, there was actually one that had to be done. Fortunately it was quick, so do always make sure you check this as well. It can be very important because of course it will help a lot in the drivers of your hardware that could cause a problem. If you go down to the advanced options, we want to go to optional updates, and here as you can see it says driver updates. If I do the little arrow, there's one. Apparently of my monitors, what you can do then, I click it, download and install, and it will just go up here where normally the updates would be. And so it might take a little bit of time depending on what you're doing, but as you can see this time it's quick because it was only for my monitor. Now then when we are here, once again you want to go back to search, and here we are going to type device manager. As you can see, just click on it. This window will appear. I'm going to place this around here. The device manager is actually pretty important because it will show you everything, pretty much all of the hardware that has a driver. So everything that's in your PC, but also external to your PC, as you can see, for example, the keyboard, the mouse as well. This is because pretty much all of the hardware we use actually has drivers to make it continue work properly. Now what I actually want to select in this case is going to be, when I go under display adapters, my graphics card, which of course is very important that that is something that has a driver that is up to date. So what you do then is right click, update driver. Here you will have two options. Now the one underneath here, browse my computer for drivers. This is in case where you want to locate where it actually is, if you already know what you want to locate, but most of you probably want to just go for search automatically for drivers. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. As you can see, it was pretty much instant. It immediately installed. Above here it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. So that means we're just up to date, which is very nice. So you can just close this window. And so if there's anything else you want to do individually, you can do that right here and just do the same thing. You just right click and do update. But there you go guys, that's how you actually do it. I do want to briefly mention that if you, for example, have a graphics card as well, like a GeForce, you can also go to the official site of Nvidia, go get the app, and then you can actually also automatically install the latest driver for, in this case, for example, your graphics card, or use another software like I have down here, which is called Armory Crate, which also keeps track of some of your components in your PC to also update them all together. It's a bit easier sometimes than, for example, doing it one by one in the device manager. That is in any case how you update any driver within Windows 11. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, it would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.